Hi, in this video, we are talking about relative locators. So as part of relative locators, in our previous videos, we have seen above, below, to left of. So in this video, we will see to right of. Okay, so how it will work. For better understanding, please watch the previous videos also. But now in this, we'll see to right of. So you see that we have seen above locator, below locator, to left of locator. So we'll see to right of. So public void to right of locator demo. Sorry. So, and I'll use the same code, launching the browser and navigating to this particular URL. Okay. So when you go here, so here, let's assume I want to click on skip sign in button. I want to click on skip sign in button. But unfortunately, I do not have any proper attribute for this skip sign in button. Okay. We have button 2, but for this demo, let's assume there is no proper attributes to find this element, but I have proper attributes to this sign in button. Okay, for the sign in button, I have btn1 by ID. So first I'll find this element, and this element is right of this element. Okay, this skip sign in is right of this sign in button. So with the help of to right of, I will find this element, and I'm saying this element is right of, and finding that and clicking on this. Okay, so for this, so we'll go to, first I'll find what is that sign in button. Sign in button, driver dot find element by dot id. What is that? btn1. So I found that element with the help of id, but I do not have proper locator strategies for skip sign in button. Okay, so for that, what I'm doing, first I'm finding this one, and I'm saying this is the right of this one. Okay, so what is this? This is a button. This button is right of this button. Okay, so now driver dot find element. So we need to use width. Okay, so how width will come? So we need to do a static import. Okay, directly it is not giving me auto suggestion to import. So we need to do manually import static arg dot openqa dot selenium dot support dot locators dot relative locator dot width. A very big one. So you need to type manually this one, and you can use that width. You see that width accepts by. So by dot, I'll say tag name. What is the tag? Button. So this button is to right of which element? Sign in button. Okay, I am finding the skip sign in button with the help of this sign in button. So this button is right of sign in button. So that is how I'm using. So skip sign in button dot click. That's it, right? I am skipping the sign. So we'll try to execute and see if this to right of is working fine or not. You see that it is skipping. So because of that, so when you go here, skip means it will navigate to register.html. So that is what happening, right? So what we are doing here, first finding one element, and I'm saying the other element which actually we want is right to the this element. Okay, so this is how we can use to right of. Okay, so we are done with to right of also. Okay, So in our next video, we'll see near. So for this video, that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching this.